Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time joining me, you are welcome. If you have been my subscriber, please, you are highly welcome. I really appreciate always tagging along with me. Today I'll be showing you how I made this dragon fruit ice cream using only 2 ingredients. I used the dragon fruits, the pink dragon fruit, and the whipping cream, 300 ml whipping cream. I'll be pouring it into my mixer and I will whisk it for 5 minutes. You can see it's picked already, and I will mash my dragon fruit into puree and then pour it into the whipping cream. I will use my hand blender to mash it. If today is your first time joining me, please remember to subscribe, like what I'm doing, and share and comment. Thank you for coming by. You can see it's already blended, and I'll be pouring it into the mixture, the whipping cream, and mix both together. This is one of my best ice cream because I like dragon fruit and it's so yummy. Even the color is so attractive. See, it's so easy, you can do it. It's only 2 ingredients. Just scrub the side to make sure all combine. As you can see, it's so creamy. And now it's ready. I'll be pouring it into my mold to freeze it for 2 hours. I'll be putting the chunky part because I cut out little chunky parts to put inside, because I want, when I'm taking the ice cream, I like the chunky part. So I slice out some chunky of dragon fruit. I'll be pouring it in. This is one of your summer delight treat you can give to yourself. This is very healthy to eat and it's yummy. You see, it's ready. I'll be freezing it for 2 hours. You can try it. You don't have to spend your money buying the box ice cream from supermarket. This is so easy to make. It's already freeze. Now I'll be putting it in a cup. This is so easy. I hope you can try. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, and don't forget to like it and share and comment. Thank you so much, and see you again on my next video. Thank you. Bye.